Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 stuck on loading. So here's how you fix it. Go to search, type in Xbox app. Once it opens, you want to click on the Forza Horizon from your library. You want to click on three dots and click on Manage. You want to go to File, and then you want to click Fix and Repair the files, and then click Yes, and it will go through all of it, and after it's done, your game should work properly. If you're on the Steam, you can do the same. You can open Steam, find the game files, right click on it, go to Properties, go to Installed Files, and then you can click here, Verify Integrity of Game Files, and it will go through it. And after it's done, try relaunching the game, and the game should work properly. Also, you can try updating your GPU drivers through NVIDIA app or AMD app, or reinstalling them if you already updated them and it's not working. Also, disable the go to system and disable G-Sync. Click off and then apply, and it will it should work properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Forza Horizon 6 stuck on loading problem. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.